In the wild, there is a hunter that is neither a lion nor a cheetah, yet its hunting success rate is over 80%. Which animal is this? Meet the African wild dogs. They never hunt alone. Instead, they attack like a highly disciplined, organized team. Every single member has a specific role to play, which is why their hunts rarely ever fail. They can run at a staggering speed of nearly 70 kilometers per hour. But their real weapon isn't just speed. It's their incredible teamwork. They completely surround their prey from all sides, chasing it relentlessly and forcing it into utter exhaustion. Here is the shocking twist. A lion's hunting success rate is only about 30%, whereas African wild dogs succeed more than 80% of the time. Because of this mind-blowing efficiency, they are ranked among the most successful predators on the planet. Sadly, this extraordinary animal is now facing a severe threat of extinction. If they disappear from the earth, the entire balance of the wilderness could collapse. Had you ever heard about African wild dogs before this?